Hello everyone, so welcome to our fall decor for an apartment, and I am just going to show you really quickly how I decorated our home for the fall. Just picking up a few affordable items from Dollar Tree, the 99-cent store, and Big Lots. So we're going to start over here as we enter. So this is our doorway entering, and to the right over here we just have like a couple globes, orange globes that are really neat and kind of old looking. They're distressed and they're meant to be that way, and a little skull candy holder that has a few candies in there. I just have to buy some more because the kids were eating it. And then just a little banner that says boo on there, a silver and black one. And just a cute little wreath, nothing too big or overwhelming for an apartment size decor. Over here to the right, that is the kids' room. They have on there, do not enter. And that is from the 99 cents or Dollar Tree store. I believe it was Dollar Tree. But yeah, so they have some scary stuff in there, you guys. Like some ghosts and some black chains and like webbing, black mesh net fabrics, but they don't want to do a tour in their room, so I'm just gonna show you their door. Okay, so moving on over here. So that is our door, and over here where our TV stand is, I did buy a few things here to add. They were $2, $1 a piece, so I bought 2 pieces and I just stuck them here. Normally it's just a beige decor here, but I did buy this one here. I just stuck it on top. And this other one that is so cute, it has these little orange, like cranberry orange seeds on there, and like a little sunflower. So I bought 2 like flower items there, and then the other one is over here, and the sunflower is like an orangey yellow on that one. So for the TV, I just picked this up. It was from the 99-cent store. I normally have a different runner on here, but for Halloween we just kind of put this scary lace looking runner. And a pack of these were 99 cents, a scary little witch's brew thing there, the pot. And these were so cute, I thought. Not the typical orange pumpkins. They're black and like a silvery lace wrapped pumpkin. Like, they're really soft, but I thought those were so cute. So I picked up 2 of each. That way it has like a nice silver and black theme on the TV stand. And it goes really well with the black lace, the black scary lace runner. Over here on this side table, I just wanted to keep everything really simple. So we have a little tombstone here that says RIP with some skulls on there. And then the scary skeleton hand right there to go with that. I thought those 2 went perfectly together. And my niece that gave me this Marilyn Monroe coaster set, I just thought that went perfectly together right there in the corner. So moving on, for the pillows, decorative pillows, these pillows, we've had the beige ones from last year, but at Walmart and Big Lots, I did pick up these that say thankful on there. That one is from Walmart. This one we've had for a year. That's from Walmart also. And then I picked up 2 of these thankful ones from Walmart. Okay, this one we've had also. That's from Walmart. And this one here is from Big Lots. It says fall is in the air. What does it say? It says fall is in the air, leaves, apple, cider, be thankful. Candy corn, pumpkin pie, turkey, football, friends and family, harvest, blessing. So yeah, I thought that was so cute. I just love the contrast of the cream color against the brown couch. So there is the other corner of the couch. And these pillows here, you guys, are so soft. This will make you want to just fall asleep on the couch. They are so soft. And this one is also soft. And over here on this little tiny side table is just some silver and gold pumpkins. And I believe these were from the 99-cent store also. So I just thought that was so cute. It's not your typical orange pumpkin. And these little side tables that I picked up at Target, it was a set. That one over there in the corner, and this other one here, that was from Target about maybe 3 to 5 years ago. And it's a perfect size, you guys, if you don't want any like giant side tables. And then we just have the ottoman there, and the little bed, which is Maddie's bed, her little doggy bed, and I'm washing her blanket. I just love those pillows. They are so, you know, it's just enough. You don't want too many pillows on your couch. It's just enough to give it a nice look. Okay, so moving on into the dining room. These little cute chair covers are so cute. I'm like obsessed with it. It's so cute. I was like, I have to have one of those, or at least a few. We bought 4 because there was only 2 kinds, and we wanted it alternating, and we just left the other chair without one. But this one says eat, drink, and be scary, and the other one says give me something good to eat. So I thought those are really cute. So we didn't want to do too many like orange and black colors, but I figured for the dining room we would go ahead and just do the orange and black Halloween colors. And these black placemats, if you watched my IKEA haul, these I believe were a couple dollars, these round placemats, and you can wash them just if you get food on them. I always wash these too, but it's just like a rubber material that's easy to wash and clean. Okay, also this little centerpiece here for the table, this giant gold plastic plate, which is so cute. I just thought it's, you know, so cute and affordable. That's from Dollar Tree. And these little autumn leaves, I got 2 sets. They were $1 each. Also, it's like a round garland that you can just wrap around, you know, maybe like a mantle or whatever. But I picked up 2 of those. They were $1 each, and I just wrapped it around the pumpkin. And the little cute autumn leaves, oh my gosh, they're so adorable. They were of course $1 at Dollar Tree, and it just takes 2 AA batteries. And this pumpkin is from Big Lots. That was like $12. But look how cute this whole combination is. So that is our dining. And then also right above the couch, we just got this little cute hanging decor. It says home of a handsome devil, a wicked witch, and their little monsters. So I just got a little thing like that over the couch. And then also right here in the dining room area, I got this little sign that says thankful and blessed. I thought that was so cute and nice for the dining room area, because we always of course are thankful, and before we eat, of course, we do our prayer and we say grace, and we are thankful for all our daily blessings. So over here in the kitchen area, what I did was I got another one of those plastic gold plates from Dollar Tree, and this is a vanilla scented potpourri bag. It was also $1 at Dollar Tree, and I just emptied that right on the gold plastic plate. Just very simple. And then I got this candle at Big Lots. It is the Autumn Cinnamon Pumpkin scent. And I went ahead and lit that just to give the house a nice, cozy pumpkin scent. It smells so nice in here right now, you guys. And we also have our little warmer that has a pumpkin scent burning at the same time. So moving on into the kitchen, over here I just got some decorative hand towels that I hung up there. And over here by the coffee area, I got the pumpkin spice and everything nice hanging sign right there. I thought that was so cute for that corner because we love pumpkin spice, everything, especially coffee. So I thought that was a perfect sign for that area. And then over here by the dishes, it just says, "Hello, fall." So I thought that was a really cute sign also. Just nice and simple right there in the corner. Also, that background right there that's all black, it's a tablecloth. It's a plastic tablecloth, and that is just my background to my second channel that I'm still putting a video together for. I have not uploaded on Liz Nazario TV yet, but that is why I have that black wall covering right there, you guys. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little fall decor apartment tour. And I did not get any big items. I'm trying to get the items that are scaled to the size of where we live. That's why everything is pretty, like, not too bulky, and everything I got is within like a good scale of size. That way it fits perfect with the space that we do have. So I hope you guys enjoyed everything that I showed you today on our simple apartment fall decor. And we will see you soon. If you liked this video, please subscribe and press that like button and the bell symbol for future videos. You will be notified of our future videos. Thank you so much, everyone, and we will see you soon.